name's Justin. Today we're here in Asturias where they make traditional Asturian cider. We're in a place called Finca Rionda. It's a yagar where you can see cider is actually being made while I'm talking to you. This sort of cider making goes on all over Asturias. Every little corner of Asturias that you can possibly imagine, there's people like this making cider in their yagars in their own houses. Okay, firstly, obviously after picking the apples, the first thing they're going to be doing is washed. Straight after washing them, they'll be put into this machine here, which is a crushing machine. It's quite important that the apples are crushed into small pieces to get the most juice possible out of them. So they'll be put straight through here, crushed, they'll come out of the bottom into a container, and they'll be put then straight into the press here, or yagar as they call it in Asturias. It's basically just a massive press. As many apples they can get in right up to the top. The wood will all be laid out evenly over the top of it, ready for pressing down. Basically, they'll press and press and press and press it however long it needs to get every single last drop of juice out available. Once it's all the juice is finished coming out, it'll all be put into the barrels, which are over on this part over here. And this is what we've arrived at today, the bottling process of this. So the cider's been fermenting away in that barrel there for around 6 months. Today we've arrived at the day where it actually needs bottling. There's no moon, so it's a perfect day for bottling today. Very simple basic machinery what we're using here to bottle it. It's just a stopcock valve that allows the cider into the certain level of this container. When it arrives at that level, it stops. Basically similar operation for the actual filling of the bottle. As soon as it arrives at the correct level of the bottle, cuts off automatically. The full bottle is taken off, an empty bottle put straight on, and automatically it starts carrying on filling up that bottle. Okay, so here we are with Antonio. He's very kindly going to pour me a glass of this wonderful Asturian cider, and I'm going to give it a try. Okay. Salud. Muy rica, as they say here in Asturias. By the way, Antonio is the owner of this place, and it's open to the public, so any of you guys can come here and try this cider out like I have. Absolutely lovely.